Okay. Show me your moves. Do those slippers make you a faster, better dancer?
Yeah.
They do. They're beautiful. Oh, back up. Too close. Keep dancing.
Yeah. On the floor.
Oh, okay. Where are you going? You're kind of far now.
I almost got it.
Almost got it.
Yeah.
I think your Mickey costume might be a little short.
We have this off.
You want it off now? Do you have any last parting words? You want to say bye?
Bye.
I love you.
Love you too.
Say I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.